In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can create a new folder that's going to allow us to store all our designs neatly. First thing you need to do is load up Canva, and we're going to head over to projects, which is down the left hand side. Then we are going to go over to the add new button, which is over on the right hand side. And now we can see we've got some options. We can add a new folder, new course, design, and we can also upload files, folders and import. We need to select new folder. Now we're given the option to rename our folder, so I'm going to type in 2026 designs. Then once you're happy with that, select continue, and there we can see now that has created our new folder, and it's showing that there's no items in there now. To start adding items, we just simply need to click on the folder, and then we can click on add designs, and then it will allow you to search your folder, select your projects, or select files that were shared with you. That's a really easy way of creating a new folder to store all your designs, to keep them all tidy and all stored in one place. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.